The chorus of a song is meant to sum up the idea, the message, or basically the point of the song. A chorus section in a song will have a dominant recurring idea and a primary lyric. It's often the most repeated section of a song and will usually contain a hook that will make it easier for the listener to remember it. There's a few primary purposes for a chorus in a song. To capture the listener's attention. Songwriters will usually use catchy rhythms, melodies, and lyrics to grab the listener's attention, to make the song stick in their minds. To tie the song together. A chorus will often make sense when it's sung on its own because it's there to sum up the point of the song, but it should tie everything that has been said in the song together. Provide relief for any tension. So any tension that is expressed in any part of the song will usually be relieved in the chorus. So I like to think of it as, if the song is asking a question, the chorus is the place that you will probably find the answer. There is no right or wrong way to write a song, but I've got a few things that I think you can consider just to help you to get started. What is your song about? How would you sum up your song and the intention of your song in one sentence? Now, this is really important to think about because when you write your chorus, this is what your chorus is needing to say. Draw upon things that have already happened. Now, sometimes the sentence that sums up what your song is about will actually make a perfect line for your chorus. But if you need to add more lines to this, you can draw upon and maybe reference things that have already been said in your song. Now, this can tie the different parts of your song together, which makes everything a lot more satisfying for the listener. Contrast. The listeners should know that they are hearing the chorus. Even if they've never heard your song before, they should know it's the chorus that they're at. And the way you do this is with contrast. So if the verses are sung low, then sing the chorus high. If the verse, lyrics, and melody have quick rhythmic phrasing, then the chorus should have longer, more sustained phrases. Make it clear that you are now at the chorus. So think about contrast. Now, these 3 points should help you well onto your way to writing your chorus. So the next thing you need to consider is the melody or the hook in your chorus. So start by just saying the words that you have over the chord progression that you're playing with, and pay attention to the natural rhythm and the natural melody of the words. Now, you don't want people to think too hard when it's a chorus, so keeping it simple will make it catchier and more memorable and hopefully more relatable. Now, when finding the right notes to use, follow the notes that are being used in the chords. You can't really go wrong with the notes in the chords. There's a lot more we can talk about when it comes to coming up with hooks and melodies for your song, so watch this video next where I go into a bit more detail, and please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.